Welcome to the GCSE Statistics Edexcel course. This short video sets the scene for the course and aims to help you find your way around the course. My name is Dr. Alexa Sim and I will be your tutor for this course. Hopefully you will find everything you need within the lessons, but if you have any queries, you are welcome to contact me by email at info@studysmiles.co.uk. This is a screenshot from the course player, which is hopefully something like what you see. It should be fairly straightforward and intuitive to find your way around the course, but let's look briefly through some of the elements and how the course is structured. Firstly, in this grey section on the left-hand side is the course contents. This lists all the lessons included in the course. All lessons are available to you as soon as you enrol on the course, so you can look at any lessons whenever you like, but I'd recommend that you simply work through the lessons in the order they are shown in this list. Looking at this more closely, we can see that the content is structured in what Think I Fit calls chapters, which can be collapsed or expanded to show the lessons within each chapter by clicking on the drop-down arrow. There is a scroll bar which can be used to move down to show the rest of the course content. Next to each chapter heading, you can see how many lessons are included in that section and how many you have completed. For example, here you can see 13 out of the 31 lessons in the collection of data section have been completed. There is also a progress bar at the top showing how much of the whole course you have completed. So here 12% of the course has been completed. Each lesson has a symbol showing what type of lesson it is, such as a PDF document, a video lesson or a quiz. When a particular lesson is selected, such as averages with frequency tables here, the lesson is shown on the main right side of the screen, whether this is a video to be played, a PDF or a quiz. There is a complete and continue button below the lesson content, which you can press once you have completed the lesson. This will result in a tick being indicated next to the lesson in the list, and the viewer will move on to the next lesson. You can always return to any lesson throughout the course and even mark a completed lesson as incomplete if you like. The course is structured around 8 units which cover all the topics required for the Edexcel GCSE Statistics syllabus. The final unit of probability distributions is only relevant if you are studying for the higher tier. Within each topic unit, there are summary notes, video lessons, quizzes, learning objectives, and practice exam questions. Let's just have a brief look at each of these in turn. Each of the 8 topic units is supported by summary notes, which set out the key points split into subunits mirroring the video lessons. You can see some extracts from the summary notes here. The summary notes provide core examples as well, and you may find it useful to annotate these summary notes with your own notes as you go through the lessons. These summary notes include all the main content you need to know for the exam, so are ideal for revision. There is a video lesson for each of the subtopics within the 8 topic units. The videos are usually around 15 minutes in length, but some are longer or shorter depending on the topic being covered. All videos may be paused and re-watched as many times as you wish. Each video lesson is followed by a quiz that comprises questions enabling you to practice what you have learnt. The questions are designed to progressively test your learning. All questions are automatically marked and full feedback is provided. Each unit of the course includes a checklist of learning objectives taken from each lesson. Any learning objectives that are only relevant to the higher tier are clearly indicated. This is a handy checklist aimed to assist you in ensuring you know everything that you need to know. Ideal for revision, and you might find it useful to revisit these checklists towards the end of the course. At the end of each of the 8 topic units, there is a pack of exam questions for practice. The questions are from past exam papers or specimen exam papers and are themed by topic, so they only include exam questions on the topic you have just been studying. The table of contents summarises the topic of each question and whether it is a foundation or higher level question. There are also tips included to help you in learning to attempt exam questions. This pack is supported with full suggested answers and workings, along with further exam tips. Once you've worked through all the 8 topic units, there is a separate section on the statistical inquiry cycle and suggestions for undertaking practical investigations if you choose to. And finally, there are a series of mini mocks and a full mock exam, both of which are provided for both foundation and higher tiers. The mini mocks comprise questions from past exam papers and are essentially exactly the same as the real exam, but are shorter to help focus on learning exam techniques such as time management. The mini mocks are between 30 and 45 minutes in length. The full mock comprises 2 papers at both the foundation and higher levels and are full past exam papers. After each mock paper, there are video lessons walking through the whole paper, providing suggested answers and workings, marking guidance and exam tips. So that's a brief overview of the course. I hope you enjoy it.